Right, this is going to be a very quick lightning talk, hopefully, 5 minutes. Hopefully, Alan won't scream at me. This is just a bit of fun. It's a document I found, and I just wanted to make a little lightning talk out of it because I really like it. So we're going to play a game, I Have Never. Anybody heard of that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some slides up, and if it's I have never done this, then I want you to stand up. Should we go for stand up? Yeah, why not? So I'm going to go through, there's 6 or 7 of them, yeah? Okay, so we'll start with the first one. So I have never delayed the delivery of orders, even though parts of an order may be ready. I've not delivered it until it's completely ready. Oh, you're all sitting down. So you've all done that. Demanded written orders. I have never demanded written orders or engaged in long correspondence about orders. Oh. Where's Phil? Is he in the room? Oh, he's not. Damn it. Haggled over precise wordings. Oh, yay. We've got people standing up. Blue fruit lot. Yay. Give me a wave.
What do you mean by
awesome
precise
team.
wordings?
Pardon? Nice heckle. Like it. Assigned out the unimportant jobs first? Or assign them to people that are inefficient? Ooh, yeah. Insist on perfect work? Actually, if you've stood up, stay stood up, if you would, because that'll give us a good indication at the end. Yeah. Insist on doing everything through channels. Never permit shortcuts. Referral matters to committee for further study and consideration. Make the committee as large as possible, never less than 5. Cool. I think that might be the last one. So, those of you who are standing up, thumbs up. Those of you who are still sat down because you have done these things, you might like to consider a career in the CIA. Because this comes out of a field guide on how to sabotage productivity. You can sit down now. So it's actually a kind of article I found. Sorry, it's slightly blurry. I tried to make it slightly better, but it's an unclassified document. How long have I got left? 2 minutes. Cool. Right. So now I'm going to do a shout-out game. Agile buzzword bingo. So I'm going to throw them up again. The Agile way. So what do we do instead? So I don't want long, drawn-out sentences. I just want you to shout words at me. So rather than delay the delivery of orders and not dispatch things until they're completely done, what do we do? MVP? Incremental? Reduce work in progress? Continuous delivery? Yeah. Ship it? Yay! Cool. Instead of demanding written orders, what do we do? Have a conversation. Yay. Is this fun or no? I like it. So instead of haggling over precise wordings, what do we do? Have a conversation. Yeah, understanding. Good enough. Yeah. Talking about the definition of done and acceptance criteria. Sign out the unimportant jobs first. Yay! Call their own work. Prioritise your backlog. Insist on perfect work. Ship it, that's the answer. Ship it! Doing everything through channels. Somebody quote the manifesto at me. Referral matters to committee. Self-organising teams, self-managing teams, yeah. Ask for forgiveness. And that's it. That's my lightning talk. I'm Belinda, by the way.